my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cacti like the one seen here. Okay, so the things that you'll be needing for this project are going to be pots to hold your cactus. These ones I got at the Dollar Tree, or you could get them anywhere that sells gardening supplies. I also got these smaller ones from the Dollar Tree. And then you will be needing scissors, glue dots, Sharpies, air compressor or a hand pump, and of course different size balloons. So the first thing that you are going to do is blow up your balloons to whatever size you desire. So once you blow them up, I usually blow them up pretty full and then I'll deflate them. And when you're deflating them, you're going to want to kind of check to see if they are going to fit in your pot. So you kind of want them to stick into your pot pretty well. So that's pretty good right there. And then you can go ahead and make the other one whatever size you want to kind of contrast. We're gonna go do this one in the pot. So then you're gonna tie the balloons, put it to the side, and tie this one, put it to the side. And depending on how big you want your cactus, you can blow up as many balloons as you want. Just keep in mind, the bigger the cactus, the more top heavy it is, so you may want to weight the bottom balloon. And for these small ones, I usually use a hand pump to blow those up. Now that you have all your balloons blown up, you can either start using the Sharpie and marking these with the little pricks for the cactus, or what I usually do is I assemble the cactus and then I'll draw the little pokey thorns on after. So before I do that, what I like to do is cut off the tails of the balloons just so they sit a little bit better. So you can go ahead and cut off all your little tails. Okay, and usually for the pot, you want to start with the biggest balloon in the bottom. So if for some reason you are worried about it being sturdy, just sitting in the pot by itself, you can add a weight if your pot's big enough. So I will tie a little piece of fishing line or ribbon. And then I have a balloon weight here. I'll just tie this onto the balloon weight. And this will just give the bottom a little bit more weight, so it is more sturdy and holds better in the pot. So as you can see, this bottom balloon is now tied to the weight, and then you just drop it into the pot. And see, it's a little bit loose at the top, so with the weight, you can normally wrap the little top tying part around, or you can wrap some fishing line and just set down there. and then you are going to start placing the other balloons whichever way you desire. I usually start, again, go from big to small, so I start with the next biggest balloon, which is going to be this one. And at this point you're going to take your glue dots and you are going to just stick it to the balloon. So. And then you're just going to see kind of where you would like the cactus to be. I'm going to do this one a little different than this one here, so we're going to go there, and then this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and continue just putting glue dots, placing them however you see fit. Now they are a little loose, so you can go ahead and go back in and add another glue dot just to make them a little bit more sturdy, just depending on where you want them positioned. So as you can see, it's coming together pretty nicely. And then you're going to take your small ones and just repeat the same process. So there you go. That's kind of what it's going to look like depending on where you place the balloons. And then once you have it all put together, or like I said, you can do this step before you put them together, you're going to start marking it with either check marks or V's, and just mark however you like. For example, you can do as many as you want, or you can do it more scarce, just depending on what look you're going for. So I'm just going to do it more separated. Eyeballing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cactus DIY balloon, and again, you can customize these however you want. They look really cute when they're in pots, and you can find different sizes to kind of give it a little bit of dimension. But it's a really quick, fun, and easy project to do, and it is great for Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!